Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday afternoon, May 16th, and we are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. So, a couple of things almost happened today. Well, first, one thing did happen. We end with a perfect point of control, 13 for 13 wide. It got lowered late in the day when we decided to go finally get our IB. So that's our second perfect POC of the year. The other one occurred on February 6th. The other thing that almost happened, we almost didn't get one side of the IB for the first time this year, but with 10 minutes to go, we finally broke that. And the third thing is, even though we did take out yesterday's low by, I think, 2 ticks, and SPY took it out by a penny, where we're weak against it, I am absolutely treating today as another inside day. So going into tomorrow, we're going to have 3 lows fairly close to each other. Actually, SPY has 4 lows fairly close to each other. ES has 3. So we're going to see if we get any kind of movement away from where we are. This is day 32 of our longer balance. We still have an inside week, and we have a double inside day as far as I'm concerned. It is going to be the 5th or 6th smallest range of the year, and that's with that little flush out in M. It's also a very strong possibility of being in our top 10 for lowest volume again this year. So this market is really tightened up, really dried up. I had an excellent day, and it all happened in the first A through E, mainly A through B, actually. Let's go to the other ones first. NQ acted the best out of all of us, and then finally Longs gave it up. They end with higher value, 11 wide, and as far as I'm concerned, they went bull, balance on the daily, back to bull. So until they take out today's low or daily low again, I would put the daily back to bull for the NQ, and they're bull in both the monthly and weekly. Righty was doing the same as us, perfect POC, never got lowered on that flush, and they didn't take out their IB low to the last minutes of the day. Amazing. They're still in balance on the daily. They have an afternoon rally high and a 13 wide POC. Now, for us, 13 wide perfect POC, which got lowered to G's low. I am going to use B as a price probe because we got below it by 46 cents. Considering the range we had, that's a pretty decent move. For Mo, right? Our third of our 3 stooges. And we have an afternoon rally high in G. This pop was strictly shorts. All right? There were stops here. B, C, E, and F. That's all that was. That's a short I should have taken. But more importantly, I should have taken a short in H against G's high. I didn't do that. But like I said, early in the day, actually right before the bell opened, I took a long because I said we're going to probably front run the overnight low. We have a great habit of doing that. Took the long, they front ran the overnight low. And I got long and made 7.5 points on that. Then I reversed short and got 4 points on a short. So I made 11.5 points in A. And then in B period, because the market was kind of moving pretty good, and he pushed up as we were going lower, and he pushed back up, I shorted. I made 11 points in B period on a short. And then in E period, also took a short because it looked like after our reversal bar, we might go test lower. I only took it for 2 points, and we didn't go any lower at that point. But that's why I took that. And then after that, like I said, we did nothing. We flatlined. The only real decent trade could have been H against G's high. And that's really it. Even this little flush. At that point in the day, I didn't know what they really wanted to do. I'm not going to jump on board that. So a really good day again. For the week right now, 36 points between the 2 days. Not bad considering how small our ranges and volume have been. As far as destinations, for the upside, I will use B's low price probe 410.70. Our perfect POC at 411.59. Afternoon rally high, G high at 412.32. And then today's high at 412.82. Now, just like we have a lot of lows close together, well, we have 4 highs within $2 of each other. Do you see how this market's contracting, waiting to explode? I still think we have to watch for fake outs, though, for fake breakouts that don't go the first time. For the downside, we have 410.24. You should have everything I've given you to the downside prior to that. In ES, we have today's low of 22.50. Then you should have everything else to the downside. For the upside, we have today's price probe of 27 at B's low. 36 is 13 wide. 43.75 is our afternoon rally high. And 48.75 is today's high. And then, just quickly on the chart. So, let's go to, here's, real quickly, look at the monthly. Last month's range was tight. This month's range is tight. We have a chance for an outside month up and outside month down. Right now, we are rudderless. We're in a 7-month balance. Weekly, we're in a 7-week balance with an inside week. And so far, after 2 days, we're inside of this week. Need some more MGI. Daily. Look at this. 32 days of this. 9-day now of a smaller balance. It's a 9-day one. Again, yes, we took out yesterday's low by a penny. Treat it as an inside day tomorrow. Okay? Actually, we didn't take it out. I take that back. We missed taking it out. It looks like by a penny. Oh, I made a mistake. Yesterday's low is 410.23. Today's low is 410.24. So yeah, SPY does have 4 lows very close to each other. Did not realize that. So it's a double inside day. The 20-day moving average has been disregarded throughout this whole thing. Again, if we take out today's low, you go with it. But remember, the bottom of our mini balance isn't too far away. So you'd rather see them take out 408. You'd rather see them take out May 10th low to get involved. I think if we take out May 10th low, then you have a chance. May 5th. The 5th and 10th are very close. So May 5th low to finally go get that island reversal gap. You might get that if you come out of this mini balance to the downside. If we come out of this mini balance to the upside, again, there's some work to do to get to May 1st high. The first thing we'd have to do is get to May 2nd's high before we have any chance of doing more damage to the upside. The ranges keep contracting. The volume keeps contracting. Powell does speak Friday. We have options expiration on Friday. Again, the longer this goes, I know it might be frustrating throughout the trading day, although there were good opportunities early today. But think of hopefully the range and energy we get when we finally come out of this. That's what you have to look forward to. Anyway, thanks for the likes and subscribing. I hope you had a good day trading. And we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.